Eighth question. If A and B are -2, -2 and 2, -4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3/7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. There is one line segment AB. So let us take this as the line segment AB. So first point A, that is -2, -2. Second point B, 2, -4. AB is given. Now this point P lies on AB. We don't know where it is. Whether it is midpoint or near to A or near to B, we don't know. So let us take this as P. But here they given one ratio. AP is equal to 3/7 AB. So here you are going to find the coordinates of point P. Okay. So this point P we have to find. To find the point P, they must give the ratio, that is AP divided by PB. You must keep it in mind that the ratio M1 is to M2 is nothing but what? AP divided by PB it is. Okay. So M1 is divided by M2. It means AP divided by PB. But here they given AP is equal to 3/7 AB. It means AP divided by AB is equal to 3/7. It doesn't mean that M1 divided by M2 is equal to 3/7, because here AP divided by AB they are given. AP divided by AB. But I don't want it. I want AP divided by PB. Okay. So now for this one I will take a reciprocal. AB divided by AP is equal to what? 7 divided by 3. Now next. So this I can write. AB can be written as what? AP plus PB divided by AP is equal to 7 divided by 3. AP plus PB. AP plus PB divided by AP equal to 7/3. Now I will divide AP separately. So AP divided by AP is 1 plus PB divided by AP. PB divided by AP is equal to 7 divided by 3. Now I'll take this 1 to the right. PB divided by AP is equal to 7/3 minus 1. This is equal to what? 4 divided by 3. 7 minus 3 that is. Now PB by AP you are getting. PB divided by AP. So I want the ratio AP by PB, not PB by AP. The first point I have taken as x1, y1. There must be M1. Okay. AP by PB. So for that, again now I will take reciprocal. That will be AP divided by PB is equal to 3 divided by 4. It means M1 by M2 is equal to 3 divided by 4. So this I will write it as, once again I will write. Now, what are the values? So here first point I will take -2, -2. This I will take as x1, y1. This I will be taken it as x1, y1. Second point 2, -4. This I will take as x2, y2. So this I will be taken as M1 divided by M2, or M1 is to M2, both same only. Now we have to find the point P of x, y. Now we can write the formula. That is what? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Okay, M1 plus M2. Substitute the values. M1 3 into x2. x2 is here what? 2 plus M2 is 4 into x1. x1 is here -2 divided by 3 plus 4, comma. M1 3 into y2. y2 is here -4 plus M2 is 4 into y1. y1 is here -2 divided by 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. Now this is equal to 6 minus 8 by 7, comma minus 12 minus 8 divided by 7. Now this is 6 minus 8, that is nothing but how much? Minus 2 divided by 7. Now this is minus 20 divided by 7. This is what? P of x comma y. So this is how we can find the point P. Okay, this point P divides the line segment AB. The ninth question. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. There is one line segment joining endpoints A and B. So this is A minus 2 comma 2. Now B, that is 2 comma 8. This line segment AB is divided by the points into 4 equal parts. So this is one part, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts are there. So to divide 4 equal parts, how many points are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 points. P, Q, R. I will take this as P, Q, R. Now here, 4 equal parts. Can I say that Q is the midpoint of AB? Can I say? So because this side 2 equal parts, this side 2 equal parts. So it means what? Q is the midpoint of AB. If by applying midpoint formula, if you find Q, then we can find the point P. Again, this point P is the midpoint of AQ. Am I right? Point P is the midpoint of AQ. So apply the midpoint formula for these 2 points A and Q. Again, you will get the point P. Okay, point P got, Q got, then R. So R is the midpoint of QB. For the point R, apply the midpoint formula, you get the point R. Okay, this is one procedure. This is one method. Another method also you can solve by applying a section formula. How we can find it? To find the point P, left side how many equal parts? Only 1. 1, right side how many? 3. So 1:3 ratio. By taking 1:3 ratio, that is M1:M2 equal to 1:3. And this has x1, y1, this has x2, y2. Apply section formula, you get the point P. Am I right? Then for the point Q, so this side 2 parts, that side 2 parts, means M1:M2 is 2:2 ratio. Take this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2. Apply section formula, you get the point Q. Then now find for R, point for R. So left side how many equal parts? 3. Right side 1. 3:1 ratio. M1:M2 equal to 3:1. This has x1, y1, this has x2, y2. Again apply section formula, you get the point R. Okay, this is another method. Okay, by applying section formula. So better I want to use the midpoint formula only. Okay, so Q is the midpoint of AB. So let Q is midpoint of AB. Q is midpoint of AB. Now Q of, I will take this as this. I will take x1, y1, this x2, y2. This I will take x3, y3. Generally, this is x2, y2 is equal to. Now for this one, midpoint formula. So this is what? I will take this as x1, y1. Rather than leave it, directly you can substitute. So that is how much? Minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2, comma. Next, 2 plus 8 divided by 2. Okay, I am applying midpoint formula here. So now here, minus 2 plus 2, 0. 2, 8 plus 2, 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So the value of Q I got is 0, 5. Now I got the value of Q. Then I am going to find P. Let P is, I will take this as x1, y1. P x1, y1 is the midpoint. Is the midpoint of what? Midpoint of AQ. Midpoint of AQ. Now P of x1, y1 is equal to, again apply midpoint formula for A and Q. Minus 2 plus 0. Minus 2 plus 0 divided by 2, comma. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 divided by 2. So this is minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. 2 plus 5, that is 7 divided by 2. So here the point P is minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Then the last point, that is what? R we have to find. So R of x3 comma y3 is equal to R is the midpoint of, before that I will write R is the midpoint of, let R x3 y3 is the midpoint of what? R is the midpoint of QB. Okay. Now R of x3 comma y3 is equal to, again apply midpoint formula, Q and B. Q is here what? 0 comma 5. B is here given 0 plus 2, x coordinate 0 plus 2 divided by 2, comma y coordinate 5 plus 8 divided by 2. Now this is equal to 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 8 plus 5, that is how much? 13 divided by 2. So this is what? The point R. Okay. So they ask you to find the coordinates of the points. So those are P, Q, R. So I got Q as 0 comma 5, P as minus 1 comma 7 by 2, and R as 1 comma 13 by 2. Okay. This is how we can solve this.